Really?
Give it to some of your friends?
Was that the hottest thing you've ever eaten?
Ever.
Ever?
Ever.
Do you think there's anything on the planet that's hotter than that?
Probably.
How do you feel?
Did the beer hurt? Did it hurt to drink the beer?
Yeah.
That's
I
good.
feel it's good.
Maybe you
Is
can
your
maybe you
mouth
can
the only
smoke a
thing on
cigarette.
fire, or is your
No,
whole body on
fire.
fire?
No, it's gone from here to here. Just my mouth.
It's just your mouth now?
Thank you. You think you can smoke a cigarette?
Oh my god, that was bad. Oh my god, that was bad.
That's funny, though.
What do you think about someone that could eat 9 of them?
I was wrong about that.
Yeah, I'm gonna take about smoke a cigarette, but
I was wrong about that. I thought if you wanted to eat them all.
that's what we were talking about outside. If you're
I
gonna eat
know.
one, you might as well eat them all, and then you suck.
Would you eat another one right now?
Fuck no.
Ever again?
No.
Would you tell someone else to do it?
I don't know.
An enemy, maybe?
How do you feel about the video going on Facebook?
You made it through one, bro.
I'm not eating another one. Dip your finger in
No, you sabotated the whole thing.
The whole table.
Oh my